Hey Baker fam! The summer season is upon us and what could be better than freshly homemade ice cream? But before that, do click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified every time we post a new recipe. I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers to become professional pastry chefs. Now, if you're someone who loves our recipes, we have curated a 21-day online baking course that will have 14 different recipes, 13 of which are completely eggless, starting on 1st of June. Registration is currently open and link for that is in the description below. Now let's get started with the recipe. As I wanted to create a very simple ice cream that everyone can make at home, we'll be using just a handful of ingredients that are easily available in the market. So here I have a very big glass bowl. In this we'll add whipping cream. Followed by condensed milk, pistachio paste, drops of pistachio essence, salt, and edible green gel color. Now we'll beat it with an electric hand beater until we get thick mousse-like texture. Now in this recipe, I am using non-dairy whipping cream, as dairy whipping cream is not easily available in India. But if you're someone who has easy access to dairy whipping cream, then I recommend using it. Now in this, we are going to fold in some chopped as well as whole pistachios. Now we'll add this into a tin and sprinkle some pistachios on top as well. We'll keep this in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours or until it's firm enough. So our ice cream is out of the freezer and as you can see, it's quite firm. Now let's take it to the assembly point. Before scooping, make sure to dip the scooper in warm water. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I can't wait to dig into this ice cream. Share this recipe with your friends and I'll see you again with another new exciting recipe. Till then, bye-bye.